Hey guys, today let's learn how to download offline maps on iPhone on iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and download these offline maps on your device, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first in order to do this is to go ahead and launch, of course, your Maps application. So you basically have your Maps option or your Maps application right here built in onto your device. So go ahead and launch it as you would right now. And then what we need to do from here is I want you to go ahead and basically tap on your icon on the map. So as you see, we can access our maps over here and view the specific options that we can do right here. But what I want you guys to do is to tap on your profiles right here. So tap on your profiles right there, and you could actually see this option to access your offline maps. So tap on offline maps, and if you want to go ahead and download your own offline maps on here, just go ahead and tap on download new map, and actually you could now proceed with choosing a specific location or a specific place to download the map of. In this case, I'm going to choose this one right here, and I'm going to choose basically this specific radius or this specific place to just download, and I'm going to tap on download right here, and as you see, the download will start, and that's how you guys could easily go ahead and download offline maps on iPhone iOS 17. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.